and welcome to the channel. My name is Kianuki, and for today's video we're going to be doing a Coleyes contact lens try on haul. Coleyes, and you'll see what they look like on very dark colored eyes. I feel like I can do a lot of really cool looks with all the different colors we got, so let's go ahead and try these bad boys on. Then Claudia from Interview with the Vampire. What do we think, guys? In fact, you know what? We're giving, wow, they're like very dimensional. So we'll go ahead and pop this in. But look how shocking and stunning these are. These are gorgeous. I love this one. These ones are really natural. This is the Coleyes Icy Blue color. They're very vibrant, but I kind of wanted something natural, just something I can wear, which is like day to day and not for cosplay. So I really like these. These are the Cosmic Mesh Blue 6-month prescription contacts, and they are out of this world, as you can see. I will say that visibility in these are low. They're very stunning, very shocking, and great for cosplays, but I think if you were to wear these out and try to read or drive, you're gonna crash. They're so beautiful though. These are the same contacts, but in the Cosmic Mesh Pink, and they're so beautiful. I feel like I'm straight out of a sci-fi or fantasy novel, and I'm some kind of species of some sort. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this contact lens try on. I've also linked all the products down below. Let me know what you think. I absolutely love these, and make sure you subscribe for next time.